Ready to unlock your best skin ever? Discover the ANUA 3-Step Glass Skin Beginner Set, your secret weapon for that coveted radiant glow. This incredible kit starts with a deep cleansing oil that melts away impurities without clogging pores, leaving your skin feeling incredibly clean. Next, the gentle foaming face wash, infused with heart leaf, creates a luxurious lather that's perfect for all skin types, even oily and combination complexions. The true magic happens with the viral TXA serum, a powerful blend of niacinamide, TXA, and arbutin that brightens and evens out your skin tone beautifully. Imagine waking up to smoother, clearer, and more luminous skin every single day. This set simplifies achieving that glass skin look, making it perfect for beginners. If you're searching for effective Korean skincare that delivers real results, you've found it. Click the Amazon link below to grab your ANUA glass skin set and start your journey to radiant skin today. Trust me, you won't regret investing in this game changer for your daily routine.